Hello everyone, this is Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. I'm trying out a new camera setup here with the new mic, and my rims get extremely dirty on the backside. I can clean this really well. You know, it's painted surface with the brushed aluminum, so my normal cleaners work great, but in the back just doesn't get it well enough. So I'm going to try the Chemical Guys Decon Eye Remover Decontaminate and Cleans. So this usually, iron removers usually change colors. Shake well, make sure the surface is cool before you use, which this car's been sitting here for a couple hours. Do not work in direct sunlight, spray directly on the surface. Allow Decon Pro to dwell on the surface for 3 to 5 minutes. I have a bucket here, obviously Chemical Guys bucket, with my Diablo wheel cleaner, and then I have all my brushes to use to clean the rim. So let's see how this works. Alright, let's change the setting here. There we go. All right, I'll be back in about 3 to 5 minutes. We'll wash it up. All right, so it sat on here for about 3 minutes. Timber says hi. Timber. Yep, she's chilling. All right, let's check this out. So I'm going to use an older brush. Get it nice and sudsy. Get in the back. Get behind. I always like to get the fresh suds start at the top. Get behind those rims. Those of you that can hear, that is Timber's baby sister, Nina, and she will be doing a guest appearance very soon. Today I'm also not using a pressure washer. I just have a hose set up and a hose bib, because most people don't have that. So let's get a little realistic performance here. All right, I'm gonna take my soft brush, get it sudsy, just do a quick wipe down on the tires. Well, it just melts that brake dust away. Let's get a little OCD. Boom. 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 All right. Let's rinse it off, see what it looks like in the back. I can always already tell, really took a lot off. Woo! Water show. All right, not bad, considering I only did one pass. So I'm gonna try it again. Let's go a little deeper. All right, we're back. So let it sit another 3 to 5 minutes. These rims really are caked on. The car's 4 years old. So let's give it a little deeper scrub in here in the back. we tend to get a little lazy and we want the chemical to just melt everything off, but it doesn't always work that way. Sometimes you got to put a little elbow grease in. Definitely feeling a lot smoother. You can feel that a lot of that thick film that was on there is making the painted surface a lot smoother, so definitely working great. Timber, good girl. These brushes, this one's had its day. A brand new one there. They really do a great job. I get them at Detail Garage in Mesa, Arizona. It's all the chemical guys' supplies. And a lot of the guys will take the rims off, clean them from behind, but not everyone has that luxury. Looks good. Definitely got a lot off of there. I didn't intend for it to be obviously picture perfect. They're not show rims. It's a regular driven car every day. Decon iron. Obviously read the precautions. It's pretty heavy duty cleaner when it's iron remover. As long as the rim is clear coated and stuff, if it's like a bare aluminum, it will give you some etching on there. Any other questions on detailing, shoot me an email at detailingin tempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, you can always just shoot me a question. I can answer it. If I don't have a video on it, I will make a video in one of my latest details. Here's a quick after shot. Looks fantastic. I get my products from chemical guys at Detail Garage in Mesa, Arizona. There is 3 locations in the Phoenix area. One in North Phoenix, one on West Side in Avondale, and one in Mesa. Any other questions, don't forget to shoot me an email at detailingin tempe@gmail.com. Everyone have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and smash that like button. Take care.